Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to set up a product for sale. And we're going to choose any one of our funnels and we're going to start from the order form page. And you're going to notice a tab here that says products. You're going to click that button. What you're then going to do is to click add product. You're then going to choose your payment integration. In this case we're going to choose our default Stripe gateway. We're then going to click Save and Next. We're going to give our product a name. We're then going to give the product a price. We're going to write in any identifying information, and then we're going to click Save and Next. If you have product variations, you can untick this. Otherwise, we are going to click Save and Next. In the fulfillment email area, we can choose to either send the individual to a fulfillment email, or we can send the individual to a membership area that we have already set up. In this case, we're going to choose to have an individual sent to a membership area that we have already set up. And we're then going to click Save and Next. We are going to trigger a follow-up action. In this case, we're going to have an individual added to our Get Response list. We're going to add that individual to a specific campaign, and we're going to choose the campaign. We're then going to click Save and Next. If this product is not a physical product, we're going to click Save and Next. And we have now created our product. And now when the individual submits their order form, they're going to be added to a membership product that we have set up here. What we now need to do is to go to the funnel where the membership is and then restrict the access. So we're going to go to the membership product. We are then going to go to the membership area. What we're then going to do is restrict the access. And we're going to update the lesson. And we're going to do the same thing for section 2. We are going to add in our product to restrict access. And our product is now ready to be sold directly via membership access. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.